There's one. There's one. We got one. Oh, that's a decent one. That's a decent one. I got one. I got one. I got one. I got one. There's one. I got one. Fish.
It's the first fish.
How do I close this?
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you can see me. We are currently in the trunk of my car. Cade, why are you in the trunk of your car for your intro? I figured I'd do the intro in a new spot. You know, I'm always doing it in my driver's seat or something like that. And I figured, well, we could do the back seat or we could do the trunk. So here I am in the trunk doing an intro for you guys right now. Welcome back to another video. If you guys are new here, you're probably thinking, what is this guy doing? Well, my name's Cade. Welcome back to another fishing video, guys. Today, we're gonna hit a pond that I fished a couple times about a year ago with some buddies of mine. Now, the only problem is, I mean, it's okay. There's fish in there, but they're not the biggest. We caught a lot of numbers last time, maybe like 4 or 5 each or something like that. But here's the catch. Last time I was there, I saw like a 5-pounder cruising. So I'm thinking, hey, maybe that 5-pounder wants to eat today, and we gotta catch him because I want to catch a big fish. But regardless, I'm gonna get out of the trunk. I'm gonna drive to this spot. It's probably about 20 minutes or so. Hope you guys do enjoy this episode. I hope you're enjoying it already. And if you are new here, hit that subscribe button down below. Right now, we are currently around like 8,200 subscribers, guys. The road to 10K starts right now. We're gonna try to hit that soon. You guys are unbelievable. The support is nonstop. It's getting really hot in here too. So I gotta. Well, I guess I closed the. I'm gonna just crawl through here. There's a little gap right here. I put down the seat, so I'm gonna crawl through that, start the car. We're gonna start driving. Let's do it.
All right, guys, we are officially here. Temperature-wise, I think we're looking right now, it's about 45 to 48 and sunny. That's what it says it's gonna be today. I'm just gonna walk through that back corner because that's where we started last time, and I'll work my way around the pond, but I am looking at a good distance here, so don't spook anything, but if I do see a fish, obviously I'm gonna go at them. I have a net rig on the other, which I'm gonna toss in a 10,000 fish Sakoshi bug on, and then on my favorite rod, I got a white chatterbait with an exo swim from Biospawn because that was the money setup. Last time we were here, my buddy Ant literally caught like 3 fish and 3 casts on it, and I was using a spinnerbait, didn't catch a thing, so we all switched to the chatterbait and started catching some fish. I got one. I got one. I got one. I got one. Let's go. I'm on. Oh, it's a decent one. First one of the day on the chatterbait. Come on. Let's go, boys. Woohoo! First chunker of the day on the chatterbait. Changed it up on that cast right there on the top of the mouth. You wasn't going anywhere. I casted that one in the middle. I let it sink to the bottom. And instead of reeling it straight in, I slowed it down and I stopped. I paused, I twitched, I did all sorts of stuff. And man, I just felt dead weight. I did not feel the hit. Ooh, that's a nice one, boys. We're gonna get a few pictures of this real quick and we're gonna put her back. That's awesome, boys. Let's go. But this right here is the first fish of the day. Right there, caught on the white chatterbait. Not bad at all. Little chunker, so that's pretty cool. I'm excited for that. And we've been here for 5 minutes almost. 6 minutes actually, and we're gonna put her back. Let's do it. All right. Oh, there's a little dead bluegill right there. Check that out. That's kind of neat. Let's put her in the water just like this. Look at that mouth. Look at her. And she's off. Boom, baby. Got one. Oh, jeez. This little guy hit it right next to the bank. Oh my gosh, look at the size of this guy, huh? Total lunker right here. I gotta get a picture of this. Look at that. I literally saw him hit it right there. I saw my line just jut to the side and saw a little flash of light. But my goodness, that is a dink and a half. Once again, this is the 10,000 fish Sakoshi bug on a Ned rig, green pumpkin color. We'll put her back in. This guy will be big in, I don't know, like 3,000 years, and he swims right off. But another thing I'm doing, because I started on this side of the pond as well because, as you guys can't tell, wind's going this way, right? So everything in the lake, the waves and all the fish are just generally moving this way because all the waves and wind is pushing up against this side of the pond, which is also why I started on this side, just because I've heard good things about that. And to be honest, I'm not too sure why I thought that's why, but that's why we're starting this side of the pond. So if you ever show up to a pond and it's a little bit windy out and the waves are all pushing on one side of the bank, start there. Start there. Throw everything you got there, because typically more fish will gather there first. And then you can start hitting the other sides of the pond if that's not working. That's what I've learned, but you know what? I'm a mediocre fisherman at best, so I don't really know what I'm talking about. There's one. There's one. We got one. Oh, that's a decent one. That's a decent one. Oh, come on, stay down. I was working the chatterbait all weird, man. Oh, that looks so cool. Come on. Stay down, stay down. Stay down. Let's go, boys. That's a chunky one. That's not bad. That's definitely our biggest of the day. And by no means is that a big fish. I actually just did one last cast there because I knew there was a fish on a bed over there that was chasing bluegill, and I started working it like crazy. Right in the corner of the mouth. That's actually a chunky one for here, which is super cool. It's 2 fish now in like 5 minutes. No joke, guys. I was about to bounce out of here literally like 20 minutes ago. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna make one more pass. And boy, I'm glad I did, because I just caught another fish. We're gonna get the big camera out for this one and maybe another underwater release, because that's awesome, boys. Let's go. Right here is the fish, guys. That's a nice one. That's 2 decent fish in the last, I don't know, 5 minutes or so, and that's probably my biggest of the day. No, it's by no means it's just a big fish, guys. It's just that when you haven't caught a fish in a while and you're about to leave and you come back and you catch 2 decent ones, it changes your day completely. So we're gonna put this guy back, and I mean, I guess we gotta keep going, right? Maybe we should stay here. We just caught 2 fish, so, but nonetheless, beautiful fish right there. Let's put her back. Make sure we don't get our shoes soaking wet like last time. Bam, she kicks right off. She got me a little wet though. That's what I'm talking about right there. Let's get some more fish. There's one. I got one. Fish. Fish. Come on. Stay on. Get up here. Let's go. Finally, another fish, guys. It has been ages. I mean, it's not even big, and I'm freaking out about it. Finally, another fish today. Jeez Louise. I'm just gonna hit this last stretch of the pond and cast the chatterbait. He wanted that one though, you can tell. Here's the dealio, right? Here's what we're doing today. So, haven't caught a fish in a while, but I switched back to the chatterbait. Like I said, I got a Z-Man chatterbait with a half-cut Exo Swim from, I don't know where it is. Exo Swim from Biospawn. Landed just a little guy, dude. Nothing crazy, nothing crazy. But, you know, I haven't caught a fish in a little bit here. I'm going to look for some active fish before we bounce on out of here. But not a bad fish. We're going to try to get an underwater release on this bad boy. If I can ever find my GoPro somewhere in here. There we go. Woo! What a day, boys. What a day. That's not bad. So, wrapping things up, I think I'm about to head home. It was a chilly one out there, not gonna lie. My nose is really red. You guys can probably see that. Wind was howling at me, but like I said, there's one thing to take away from this video. It's when you're fishing a neighborhood pond like this one right here, right? Decent sized pond, nothing crazy big. Go to where the wind is. Oh, this gotta focus again, hold on. Go where the wind is. I fished the non-wind side for so long, not even a bite. I go back to the windy corner, and I think I caught all my fish there today. So it's pretty much like what we expected going into today. I caught like some tiny fish because I knew they were in here.
on the Sakoshi bug, but hey, nonetheless it works. I actually lost a decent one too on the Sakoshi bug. And then I caught a decent amount on the chatterbait. I mean, chatterbait brought in the bigger ones and they weren't that big, but you know what? To come out here and, you know, just get fishing, man, it's great. It's great to get back into it. I'm loving it. I hope you guys are digging the videos as of recently. If you guys haven't seen the last one, check it out down below. Click the link or click the channel thing. I don't really know. No, seriously, I hope you guys have enjoyed the videos recently. If you guys enjoyed this one today, be sure to hit that big thumbs up button and the subscribe button down below. Like I said, road to 10K is on the way, guys. We're getting closer and closer every single day. Thank you for the endless love and support on all the videos, guys. I hope you have a fantastic day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.